How's it going, guys? Back with another video. We are on the way to Simpsonville right now. Me and Mark's in front of me. We're headed up to meet with some more Genesis people, and then we're going to Columbia Car Meets tonight. So look forward to a lot of shenanigans, a lot of nice cars. Exhaust contest is going to be filmed. I'm pretty sure the Silver 2.0 from the last video is going to be there at the exhaust contest, so that might be pretty freaking insane if they are. But I will pick up the camera once we get there. We made it here. Post it up real quick. Waiting on some more people. Here's the Jenny from the last video that y'all saw. This is insane. Look how big this snake is. She's so sweet.
Snake on me, y'all.
We need to bring this to the car meet.
Yeah, right.
Shoot it right out the back. What? If you haven't noticed, we just made it to the meet, guys. I'm parked way over there. Actually, you can kind of see me right there. Line of Jennies, 4 of us right now. The meet's just getting started. I made this quick because I don't want to get copyrighted with this music, but the meet is freaking deep now. So many cars. There's still so many coming in. Got a rare Lamborghini Murcielago. Gated manual. It says please don't touch, but getting kind of excited here. This thing is clean. I've always loved these. Now these wheels are hideous, but the car itself, I think it's beautiful. You don't really see these are really out that much. Promise me and Mark are not just being assholes and parking sideways when this meet is super deep and they're out of spots. They said there's already 800 cars here. They're expecting another 700 to 1,000 way back there, another 300 over there. But Corey actually had to dip out for a second, so me and Mark parked like this is the safest spot. Does make for a pretty cool picture though, with all the cars. So deep right now. This is the deepest this meet has ever been this edge. Look at this.
Gotta get that burger in there.
Aw shit, here we go again. Got a two-tone 350, looking pretty clean. I like the wheel setup. But check this out. Wide-body Gen. Kind of flexing with the lights. And he's got the Specties modded out. And he's got a pinstripe. This nigga copying me on God. You don't see that red pinstriping? Tell him that Yellow 3.8 did it first. Guys, I've never seen this deep before. I mean, we're parked way over there on the other side of this building, and they've got people parked all the way out here. I've never seen them pull people in over here. So you got another Genesis right here, 2.0, and then there was 2 more. I don't know if you can see that red one right there beside this truck, and then another silver one on the other side. This one's looking pretty cool now. Like the wheel setups, inch wheels. Looking pretty clean, if I do say so. Ooh, expect these. So clean. Alright, we're gonna get a quick POV exhaust contest with the 2.0. Corey and Tracy.
That
this
one
thing is insane. No. We've got Mark in the trunk back here. You probably can't even see him, but he's gonna have some exterior videos for y'all. This is gonna be insane.
Summer dash probably.
It shoots flames. It shoots flames.
All 4 at the same time. So if you want good video,
Someone's going
That's
deaf.
gonna be fun.
go to the
Yeah, we're gonna have all
really
4.
After this, you can see a bunch of people left. They went to the burnout comp. So we're gonna start over here on the left.
Oh, I got a piss.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
It had to warm up. It had to warm up.
All right, everyone look at me. What the hell was that?
I think that was a BMW.
Listen, everyone at the same time. Let's go.